Two guys walk into a restaurant. The first guy asks for H2O.
The second guy asks for H2O too.
And then the second guy dies.
The second guy dies because he ordered H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide.
And you're not supposed to drink hydrogen peroxide. Make good choices, kids.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of our channel.
In this episode, we'll show you how to do the elephant toothpaste experiment.
In this episode, we will explain the science behind how the foam is being created.
Now let's gather our supplies.
You will need measuring cups, 2 inches of 3% hydrogen peroxide, a good squirt of dish soap, active dry yeast, and you might also want some food coloring and a spoon for mixing.
Before we start the experiment, make sure you have your safety goggles on. Now it's time to actually do the experiment.
In this experiment, the yeast acts as a catalyst. A catalyst is something that speeds up a chemical reaction. The enzyme in the yeast that causes the reaction is zymase. Enzymes have an active site in which specific compounds attach to molecules in the hydrogen peroxide, which are referred to as substrates. Once the enzymes attach to the substrates, the reaction is sped up. In this case, the water and oxygen are released from the hydrogen peroxide. The yeast neutralizes and oxidizes the hydrogen peroxide, and the final result is foam.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and be sure to comment below what you thought about the experiment. And hope to see you in the next episode. Bye!